If you guys just got a new pair of lifting straps and you don't know if you have it on the right way and you don't know how to use them, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today. So you got two straps, one for the left and one for the right. And the way you know that you have it on right is if the strap is going in between through the thumb and the index finger. So now pretty simple, all you gotta do is just put the strap through the hole. And now when I put it on and I tighten it, you can see that the strap is now going through the thumb and the index. Now we put the left one on the wrist, tighten it. So now left one through the thumb and index finger. Same thing for the right side. So once you have this step done, you're good to wrap it around the bar. A couple of things that people fuck up on is they either try to do it with a mixed grip, so one hand under, one hand over, but you want to make sure that both hands are over the bar like this. Another thing too is that people, they wrap the bar from top to under the bar. So you want to make sure you're starting from under and then over. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to wrap the straps on the bar. We're going to be kind of pointing inwards, not outwards. So what you want to do is, might be tricky at first, but you can use one hand to help the other. The strap goes under like this, and you can use your other hand to help it wrap like this. From this point, once it's wrapped around the bar, all you gotta do is just twist the strap. So a tip that you can think about is just like pretend you're like revving a motorcycle or something like that, right? Like this. Then you know it's good to go when it's nice and tight. You don't have to wrap the whole strap around the bar like this. It's just once you feel like it's tight, it's good to go. Then after that, other side, under, over, and then you just twist. So from here, it's already nice and tight on the wrist, so that I'm good to go and then lift. So the main benefit why people use straps is when they're doing their pulling movements, for example, like deadlifts, lat pull downs, or rows. So now because you have the straps, you don't have to worry about your grip, which means you can push more and see more progress. On the other hand, you don't want to rely on them too much because then your natural grip strength will decrease. So you still want to find that right balance where you can still use them, but also still not neglect your natural grip strength. So there you go. That's how you use lifting straps. It might take some time to get used to them, but they're very beneficial at the end of the day for your strength gains. Like, comment, all that kind of good stuff. Free school community in my description. Join up, it's free. Peace out.